Hey everyone, if Microsoft Word keeps crashing when you open it, or while you're working on a document, it can be really frustrating. The good news is that most crashes are caused by common issues that are easy to fix. In this tutorial, I'll show you several proven solutions to get Word running smoothly again, so let's get started. Start by restarting your computer, since this can clear temporary issues affecting Word. If the crashes continue, open Word in safe mode. Press the Windows key and the letter R, type WinWord/safe, and press Enter. If Word stays open in safe mode, an add-in is likely causing the problem. While Word is running in safe mode, click File, then Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom, choose COM Add-ins, click Go, and disable all add-ins. Restart Word normally, then re-enable them one by one until you find the one that's causing the crashes. Next, make sure Microsoft Office is fully updated. Open File, Account, and select Update Options, then choose Update Now. If Word still crashes, open the Windows App Settings, select Microsoft Office, choose Modify, and run a quick repair. If needed, follow that with an online repair. If Word only crashes when opening one specific file, that document may be damaged. Try opening a different document or use Open and Repair. If Word crashes with every document, resetting the default normal template can also solve the issue. Finally, install any pending Windows updates and temporarily check whether your antivirus software is interfering with Microsoft Word. Outdated system files or aggressive security software can sometimes cause unexpected crashes, and that's how to fix Microsoft Word crashing. By using safe mode, disabling add-ins, repairing Office, checking your documents, and keeping everything updated, you can solve most crash problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.